Magandang araw po mga katribo. Today I will share my own style of adobong atay ng manok recipe, a Filipino flavorful and popular dish, and I hope you enjoy. Saute sliced thumb-sized ginger in a heated pot until golden brown. Add garlic and onion and continue sauteing until translucent. Add the chicken liver and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So continue stirring, then add ground black pepper, dried laurel leaves as we don't have the fresh one, and a small amount of seasoning granules only. And we stir to combine all the spices that we added. So let's now add the oyster sauce as I prefer it to sugar. Next is soy sauce and let's stir to combine. Yan, cover the pot for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, let's put the vinegar and we don't stir it to avoid the raw taste of vinegar. And then cover the pan and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken liver is fully cooked and tender. So stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. And of course, you can taste and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. So you can add more oyster sauce, soy sauce, or pepper as you desired. So commonly we like dried adobo, but I prefer it saucy. So I separate the sauce from the chicken liver and put it back to the heat. Saute for about 2 to 3 more minutes until brown and continue stirring for even cooking. And after that, we put the chicken liver to the sauce that we separated a while ago and it's ready to serve. So chicken liver is best enjoyed with its rich sauce and pairs well with rice. It's a hearty and satisfying dish that showcases the unique flavors of Filipino cuisine. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to this page, please hit the follow button. Hanggang sa mga susunod na episodes, enjoy and goodbye mga katribo!